Hello and welcome then to stage 3 of the 2016 Dubai Tour. Heading out 172 kilometers into the desert again and a finish at Hatta Dam. Elia Viviani rode last year, having already won a sprinter's stage in a carbon copy really of last year. Now, you shouldn't read too much into that because he might have just been riding up and had no real GC ambitions or objectives. Well, Mark Cavendish has slipped a notch or two in the overall standings after his inability to pick up any time bonuses in yesterday's finish. He's actually 4 seconds down in 5th place now. It's a quality field assembled here at the Dubai Tour. Those are the Hadjar Mountains, and that's where we're headed. 44.4 kilometers remaining and 1 minute and 50 seconds. So Fenn and Moscon on the front of Team Sky, looking after Elia Viviani. That shot there, beautiful as it is, does not indicate how steep that is. But look, it's a dam, and that is a wall of a dam. So it is literally a wall in this case. Mark Cavendish has stopped. He's getting a wheel from one of his teammates, and he's got a couple waiting. Songezo Jim has dropped back for him. So they've tried to just borrow a wheel from a teammate. He has actually taken the teammate the wheel of Nick Dougal now, and his frustration is there for all to see. Steeply all the way. BMC with Philippe Gilbert, very prominent, but still Ethics Quickstep are piloting Marcel Kittel to some effect. Ben Swift is still there, and there are 3 Sky riders. I'm just looking for the blue jersey of Viviani, not quite in your screen just yet. Has he lost contact with his other men? One little straight stretch here, and then it will be right-handed onto the final ramp, and then this procession of 30 or 40 riders will blow apart again. Gilbert looking, grimacing, setting himself up. He's on Sanchez's wheel now. Sanchez hands over to Gilbert. Gilbert takes the final right-handed turn and up the steepest part of the climb in pole position. Lobato now takes things up for Movistar. Lobato, one glance over his right shoulder, one glance over his left shoulder. He's opened up a gap, and with the finish line getting ever closer, this is a display of enormous strength from the Movistar man who takes the win.
JJ Lobato, the way he went there was just amazing.
Lobato winning ahead of Nizzolo, with Gilbert finishing in 3rd place. Here's confirmation that it was indeed the man who we thought it was, Giacomo Nizzolo. Who it wasn't was Philippe Gilbert in 3rd. It was actually Sylvain Dillier for BMC. It's Giacomo Nizzolo takes over by 2 seconds from Juan Jose Lobato. 2 seconds down in the overall standings. Marcel Kittel 6 seconds down on Nizzolo.